So guys, welcome back to our channel AOS Gaming. So today we are gonna do a very different video we haven't done in quite a while. In fact, we've never done it, and this took quite some time. So hope you guys like it. And if you aren't subscribed already, what are you doing? Subscribe. And so first of all, this video is top 5 snipers video. I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit spoiler. We are gonna next do a top 5 SMGs video. So if you guys are ready for that, comment down below. So Advait, what do you want to say to them at the start?
So we have been planning for this video for
Advait, talk louder.
quite a while, and you guys please share, subscribe, like this video, and yeah, we're gonna make other videos like this, and please enjoy this video. That's what we want.
Yeah, so the first thing before we do anything else, we are gonna go to our 5th position sniper, which is, can you guys keep a guess? Right now, pause the video, go down in the comment section and guess. It is gonna be the
M21 EBR.
oh my god, where is it? M21 ERB. Okay, fine, wait, hold on.
Not ERB, EBR.
I think that's what it is. Yeah, EBR. So first, the M21 EBR. We have kept this as the 5th position. So Advait will tell you some statistics of this. Advait, tell.
So the M21 EBR, as you said, is a very good gun, but we were confused for keeping XPR or M21 EBR. So M21 EBR, you are in this place, and next XPR, sorry my brother, but you're not. So M21 EBR has a very dashing statistics, a fire rate of 15, an accuracy of 60,
No,
and a
no.
mobility of 55.
Advait, actually you're wrong on the statistics. It's 35. Fire rate is 35. Mobility is 45 and accuracy is 60. Yeah. So that is the accurate
I
statistics.
think I read it wrong, I'm sorry.
No problem, bro. Actually, we did some research on background research on Google also, so that we don't get it too wrong. So, Advait, you can see it in your loadout only. You must have had the M21 EBR.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna leave you guys. I found this information from you.
Okay, so next one, I'm gonna talk about the damage. So the damage is 80, which is not bad for a sniper. Next, the fire rate. That's what Advait said already. Sorry. Next is the range. Okay, so the damage. This thing is in the 5th position because it's a hit marker machine. You gotta hit like 2 times to get a proper kill above the body. And maybe it's gonna get a new update, but its range is quite good. I like it. So guys, I don't have anything much to say about this gun because I hardly use it, but it's okay. I mean,
Me and Sister hardly use this gun.
I doubt Advait ever used this gun. But next one is gonna be the honorable mention. Okay, honorable mention. XPR 50. This is very similar to the M21. Like, guys, just look at this.
No.
This is M21.
This is outlaw.
Advait, wait 5 minutes. Look, this is the XPR. Just look at it carefully. This is the M21 EBR. It is literally like the same thing. So guys, next thing we are gonna do, like XPR 50 does not have anything much to say about it, so we are just gonna move on. Next, what do we have on the list? Advait, drum roll. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Is the only sniper that I don't like so much, but it's outlaw.
Yeah, it's currently the fastest sniper, but I'll just continue saying that statistics.
Okay, statistics of the outlaw.
Otherwise, your voice is really very low.
Dashing damage of 54.
No. Otherwise, just say the accuracy and firing rate and mobility.
Okay, the accuracy of this gun is 55, fire rate 30, and mobility is 55.
Yeah, otherwise your voice is unclear. Try making it a bit more clear. But he is saying all of the accuracy, fire rate, and mobility. And the damage is a striking 84 and the range is 95. So it's pretty good. It's the fastest sniper. So I mean, not that great of a gun. Then on the third position, we have the Locust. So this gun,
1 minute. Siddharth, I'm sorry to
your voice is not coming again. Advait, your voice is not coming. Advait, your voice is not coming.
Personal opinion.
Advait, your voice is not coming.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's coming a bit clear. Talk a bit slowly so that it comes clearly.
Okay. So this is only a personal opinion, and personal opinion really matters in a game like Call of Duty because everyone have their good choices. But you guys comment down below and tell which sniper do you like.
Yeah, and guys, for the third position is the Locust. So the Locust is not a gun which I use the most. Advait does not have it, but for the Locust is not that great of a gun. Its damage is just 95. I mean, it's a good damage actually. Its damage is 95, but it has bit more hit markers, and I don't know. I personally just don't like using the Locust as much as the other two guns on the list. And next, accuracy is 55. The range is 95, which is good, and the fire rate is only 17. But the mobility also, not that great. But the next gun on this list is so good. I had such a hard time choosing the first best gun. So the next gun is none other than Advait. Yeah, Arctic Point 50. Advait can tell you the accuracy, fire rate, and mobility of this gun. Advait, continue.
So the dashing accuracy of this
Advait.
very good gun is
I think your mic is cracking a bit, so say slowly so that it does not crack.
the dashing accuracy of this gun is 52.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I like
Fire
it.
rate is 30,
Yeah, that's decent.
and the mobility is 50.
Yeah, but the damage is 85, range is 95. You can literally beam people across the map with this gun. And the only difference between this and the first gun is that this has a bit more hit markers than the first best gun. And as you guys know, the first best gun has to be the DLQT3. So guys, look at this gun, man. The DLQT3 literally beams. It's like, I think my favorite sniper. I don't know about Advait, but it's my favorite sniper, as it literally beams people. And look at these statistics. The only thing bad for this is its fire rate and mobility. Mobility is also it's decent. Look at the damage, look at the accuracy, look at the range. Dude, this is crazy. And one of the reasons why it's better than the Arctic 50 leaving the hit markers is because this is like suggested by pros and all of that. Maybe that's why, one of the main reasons. But anyway, Advait, for guys, we wanted to do a bonus thing. We wanted to test all of these snipers against all of the other guns. So not other guns, like Advait is gonna stand in a position. I am gonna shoot him on the head, like within a medium range, and we'll see how much shots does it take. So on my first loadout, I'm gonna put the DLQ. Second loadout, I'm gonna put the Arctic Point 50. Wait a second, I'll just upgrade this so that we can use it at its max level.
So basically,
Advait, slowly. Your voice is again cracking. I'll rather take this one.
the private match.
Yeah. So Advait is saying that we are gonna be in the private match. Guys, we are sorry if Advait's voice is a bit cracking. Like, we don't have that good mics, at least right now. So sorry guys. Advait, try getting your voice a bit more higher. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna equip my sniper in this. So guys, by the way, what are you guys doing? Like, I'm totally bored, and all of this pandemic going around the world. It's so. And by the way, we are not any old people. Like, we are literally like school students. So we are also very bored these days. I wonder what everyone must be doing these days. Like, I am very curious.
Siddhan, did you get all your fireworks?
No, wait, I'm setting everything up. Hold it, bro. Okay, done. Oh my god, this is like a pain. Okay, where's my locus? Where's my locus? Where is it? Where is it? Found you.
So basically, I should not kill Siddhan.
Yeah. And then I hope, like, I don't have much hope for the like, you know, the what is, we are not gonna test the XPR, by the way, sorry guys, because like I hope in the next update, like, there's, like, you know, kind of what do I say, like a sixth loadout so that we can do it. But at least now, sorry guys. Okay, wait, what are the fourth gun? I forgot. Oh my god. Okay, we've got the okay, let's start from the first. DLQ-33 Arctic Point 50 M21 EBR Outlaw Pharaoh. Oh, we did not equip the, wait, did we equip the locus? Yeah, we did not equip the locus, exactly. Okay, so we are all set. After this, oh my god, yep. Advait, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Advait, look, if I don't kill you, okay, and I dance in front of you, one rage quit emote, okay? If I dance in front of you, any emote, you kill me, okay? That means I have to change my loadout. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so we are gonna go into a private match, guys. Hold on. Okay guys, we are gonna put as Nuketown so that we have like a medium range gap. Okay Advait, see you in the game, bro, then. Okay guys, I hope this test run goes well. I don't have much hope for the M21 EBR, but I definitely have hope for the what do we say, like the DLQ, of course. I think DLQ will go with a headshot easily. DLQ. Okay, wait. So guys, wait. No. Oh my god! Will you? Oh my god, man. I'm not standing in a still place. Stand in a still. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. So I have to explain and all of that. It's gonna take a while, guys. I'm sorry. On Advait's behalf and my behalf, we are sorry. Advait, are you there? Advait, why were you moving? You gotta stand in a still place for me to shoot you. Like when you come out of your base, just stand where you are. Don't keep moving, otherwise it will be difficult for me to shoot you. And you're coming so close to me.
I'll make it different.
Oh shit, man, it's gonna take a while. Okay. Anyway. So let us begin with the DLQ-3, the boss. Okay guys, let's go. Okay. So we can see his head. Oh, that's a one-shot headshot kill. Okay, as we had to tell. Yeah, boy. Okay, so next the Arctic Point 50. Let's see. Okay, wait, this is like a perfect range. That's a headshot kill. literally coming so close to. Oh my god, oh my god. I do not change loadout. Damn. Wait, I'll just kill myself with this. I just killed myself. Uh-huh. I cannot change my loadout. That's pretty weird. Oh my god, we can't? That's weird. Kill me, kill me, kill me! Yes. Oh, that's pretty new. Okay, go back, go back, go back. Okay, that's one. Oh, that's two shots. That's pretty weird. That's pretty weird. Awesome. Next, the outlaw. I think this might go for a one headshot. Yeah, it's a headshot kill. Yeah. One shot headshot. Come on, kill me.
Not shot.
Kill me already. Seriously, I killed me so badly. I feel bad. Okay, so last but not least, the locust. No. Wait, bro. Oh, that's an headshot kill. So, guys, hereafter we finish the 5 snipers. Hope you guys, first of all, I hope you liked the video, and we are gonna exit this match. Okay, wait. Okay, and by the way, the private matches are coming soon as we are about to hit 100 views on our first video. We are so close, guys. We are so close. We are so happy you guys are supporting us so much. 100 views. We are at what, about 93 if I'm not wrong. So guys, first of all, I hope you guys have liked this video by now. If you haven't, what are you doing? Go like it. That's the first thing. And hope you have subscribed to the channel already. And Advait, are you there? Yeah guys, so we are gonna end this video right here. So hope you guys liked it, and till then, bye bye. Advait, before that, what should they do?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Exactly. Okay. Advait, your voice is coming anyway. So anyway, very low. So bye guys. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Bye bye.